Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word bishopry. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The bishopry of the diocese was responsible for overseeing the church's operations in the region. Bishopry refers to the jurisdiction or office of a bishop within a specific geographical area or diocese, involving pastoral and administrative responsibilities. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.